Hello all, welcome to DriveWise, your go-to channel for everything cars and driving. At DriveWise, we are here to help you become a smarter, safer and more confident driver. Whether you are passionate about cars, looking to improve your driving skills or want to keep your vehicle in top condition, you are in the right place. Here is what you can look forward to. We will help you to choose the perfect ride by breaking down the pros and cons of the latest vehicles. Also, from saving fuel to staying safe on the road, our tips are easy to follow. And learn how to keep your car running smoothly with step-by-step guides. And stay ahead of the curve with latest car technology and trends. Why subscribe? Our goal is to make driving and car ownership stress-free and enjoyable. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the drivers community. We upload new videos every week. Thanks for watching. Let's drive wise and make every ride unforgettable. See you in the next video.